Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Carmel Resort Inn. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, free parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms and a non-smoking rooms. Carmel Resort Inn, just 5 minutes walk from Cherry Center for the Arts. The Carmel Resort Inn features early 1900 cottages, each with a unique floor plan and set on 1.5 acres with gardens. Monterey Bay Boat Charters is 3.6 miles away. Free parking and free Wi-Fi is available throughout the property. Each cottage includes a TV with cable channels and a coffee machine. Barbecue facilities are available. The National Marine Sanctuary is 15 minutes drive from the Carmel Resort Inn. Monterey Bay Aquarium is 4.7 miles away, while Old Fisherman's Wharf is 3.5 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.